Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your canvas size in Canva. So first step you need to do is to open Canva and you need to log in into your Canva account. Once you log in, click on create a design and here you can see custom size. Click here and let's suppose I want 1280 into 500 pixel. Click on create new design and here you can see it will create a design for me in 1280 into 500. But let's suppose if I want to change this, so resize. Here you can see that this is an option, but this option is only available in Canva Pro. So for that you need to switch to Canva Pro. You need to upgrade your plan. But if you do not have a Pro plan, so you simply need to go back here and create a custom size that you want. This is the only method possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.